Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third Sudoku in today's newspaper on Friday, June the 19th, 2020. In this additional, the third Sudoku is a 4-star Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright, I see here in this column 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so in the first column the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Let me see. Yeah. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There are 7, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here or could be there. But we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And now I cannot finish the 7, so let's see with another digit. How about the number 6 in this column, 6 in that column? So in the middle column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And now 1, 2, 3 missing numbers here. 1, 2, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9. I see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. So we have here the 2 and the 9 left. 2 and the 9, I mark them. It's easier to follow. How about the number? 3, 3. No. Let me see the number. Yeah, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in this box. There 5, no 5 in that box. So the 5 could be here or could be there in the middle column. So we have a 5 in this column, a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah. 6, 2. Yeah. 4. Ooh. scanning. 3, 7, how about the 8 and the need a 6 here. The 8 in this column, the 8 in that column, so in the middle column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then 4, 5, 1. Yeah, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3. No 3 in these 2 boxes. There are 3. No 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. In the middle column, we have a 3 in one of those 2 places. In the column next, we have a 3 over there. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. The 1 and the 9 is left. 1 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 3 numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. The 5 is a missing number in one of those 2 numbers. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And 1 number left should be the 1. So we have a 9. 9, 9. Okay. 1, 1, 1. 4. 4, 4, 4. How about 1, 4, 9, 2? The 2 is also missing, yeah. 8. Yeah, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing number. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. There 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4, here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 4, here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Oh, I didn't count all the numbers in this Sudoku. The printed numbers. Yeah. The last Sudoku was 26. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Two numbers, 2 digits less than the previous Sudoku. 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 2, 9, and 7, 9, 9, 9. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers 9. We see here 9. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 in this row. So no 9 there. So the 9 could be here or there. That means 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. But I see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. We have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 2. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9. 2 and 1, 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2. 2 and a 3. Yeah. These 2 numbers in this row, the missing numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1, 6, 3, 3, 3. 1, 6, 6, 1, 9, 6. Yeah. No, 9, 2. No, 9, 1. All right. 3, 3. 8 and 1. 8 and 1. 2, 2, 2, 2. Yes, 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 2 places for the 2 here or there. You see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1, 6 and 8 are missing in this row. You see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 1 and 8 are left. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row, column, number 1. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left. The 9 and the 2. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2, 6, 9. In this big square, we see here 2. No 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. One box left in this row for the number 6. 9 and 6 are left. 3 and 1 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row. Number 5. 1 number left in this row. Number 8. 8 is missing. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. 2, 7. How about here also 2, 1 and 6. 1, 6. Two, 2, 5. 2, 5, 7. Yeah. We have 3 missing numbers in the first row. 2, 5, 7. 2, 5, 7. We see here 2 and a 7. So no 2 and 7 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 5. 2 and 7. 2 and 7. We see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2, here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 number left in this column for the number 7, I believe. Yes. 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. 3 and a 9. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left, 9 and 6 in this big square. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 9 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. All right. For a 4-star Sudoku, I'm very, very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon. Bye bye.